Thanks for tuning in to our e-learning series. Today we'll cover installing Chrome and logging in. If you haven't already installed Chrome, navigate to google.com/Chrome and click on the Download Chrome button. Accept and install, and then click on Run. While Chrome is installing, it's probably a great opportunity to grab the paperwork that was recently sent from the college containing the credentials you'll need for logging on. Once Chrome starts up, you'll have an opportunity to type in the following address, which is a bit of a shortcut to all of the tools that you'll need. Type in myapps.microsoft.com and press enter. This is where you'll need the credentials I mentioned earlier. On your form you'll find the user ID and the password. Type those in and then click Sign In. Clicking on Yes in the next screen will save a bit of time for your next logon. Google Chrome will now show you a variety of applications, and the most important one is the G Suite. If you go ahead and click on G Suite, that will open up to a new tab and ask you to verify the user. Click on Continue, and at this point we'd like to introduce a pro tip that'll help you stay synchronized across multiple devices. In the top right-hand corner of your browser, you'll notice three dots aligned vertically. You click on that and then click on Settings. There's an option to turn on Sync. Click on that button and then the button that says Link Data and then the button that says Yes, I'm in. This process guarantees that if you move between machines or if you open up different browsers, you'll be able to see the exact same data that you browsed or had access to previously. In the next episode of our How-To series, we'll look at Google Classroom and a few of the other applications we'll be using for e-learning. If you have any issues with your credentials, please email help@irfancollege.nsw.edu.au.